Yes, see the industry, yeah. So I hope it's clear now. How much I can Bianca. Though I'm not using iPhone, but it's manageable than before. So you can see it like this side now. Out of the farm for far with this like this. You see what? Battery cage. The car battery cage. I just saw two plots. The now. So it's a battery cage. I use the two plots. Cage royal. So you can see it very well. Yeah, let me be going around so you can see it very well. Yes. See the tab there. So everything I go settled. How to get everything, not just buy and start using. Understand? Buy, you do the clearing and they start using it. Yes. Immediately I watch upon you. So you can see the environment. So this is for battery cage. So you can see for pig. This one is for pig, right? This one is for bird, so yeah, this is walkway. This is walkway. Yeah. For laying birds. This one is for laying birds. It's a very big farm. Oh. A very big farm. It's a very big farm. So this room is for what now? You have two rooms. So workers can stay inside. So you can see this house. It's for workers. Nice. Six rooms. See another cage. Yeah. This for workers house. Maybe come on, I told you get a chain of my jet or a chain of my. Because more and my town get on my pocket. So it's buy and use. Everything has been settled. So no checking, just buy and use. It's up to 10 plots of land here, yes. It's up to 10 plots. Not more than 2 acres. It's up to 10 plots. 1 acre and so everywhere is occupied. They have worked everything. So you can see the machine, production machine for feed. So this is for feed. They have worked everything. Or just buy and use. Now drive it to Reverend Father so we can do the business. Yes. So this one is for the packing store for eggs. So some of these rooms far is inside. So